Alright, so with this one, I didn't want to get like too crazy in depth, but I'll show you how to play the chords. These are kind of difficult chords and whatnot. But before we get started, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button. This video was by request, so thanks for that request out there. So yeah, let's get into this one. So we've got a Cadd9 chord. So what you're going to do, it's kind of a weird spread out chord. You're going to set your index finger 3rd fret of the A, middle finger 5th fret of the D, pinky 7th fret of the G, and then your ring finger 5th fret of the B. And I'll show you another way to play it too. You're going to pluck A, D, G, B. Alright, so that is very hard to do, especially if you don't know how to play those kind of more jazzy chords. So what you could do is a Cadd9 down here, middle finger 3rd fret of A, ring finger 3rd fret of B, and you plug the A, G, B, and high E. So that's one way you could do that chord rather than. Alright, so the second chord we got to go to is an E minor. So you're going to set your index finger on 7th fret of the A, middle finger 8th fret of the B, ring finger 9th fret of the D. And you're going to pluck A, B, then D. Then you're going to set your pinky down on the 10th fret of the B, pluck, and slide to 12. So you've got... And by the way, all this is palm muted, so I'm just karate chopping by the bridge to get that muted sound. Alright. Then you're going to go to a Dadd9. Now Dadd9 is that same exact shape we had here for the Cadd9, but up here, so your index finger's on the 5th fret of the A, middle finger 7th fret of the D, pinky 9th fret of the G, ring finger 7th fret of the B. Alright. Again, palm muted. That one I was trying to find. You could go, that might be a little easier. You just bar across 2nd fret, high E through G. Set your pinky down 5th fret of B. And you pluck the D, G, B, and E. So that could be a good replacement for that chord. And I just don't think the flow of the song is going to be right if you're going to those, you know, if you're going, I mean, you could do that, but it might just sound kind of like you're shifting really far on the guitar. So, you know, just keep that in mind. And then finally, B minor. So index finger 2nd fret of A, ring finger 4th fret of D, middle finger 3rd fret of B. And that's A, B, D, B, D. Alright, then the riff's going to start over with pretty much the same thing. Except when we get to the Dadd9, we only need part of the chord. So you just need the A, the D, the B, and the D. Then when we get to our B minor 7, we got to do a little hammer on pull off. So you're going to do the same pluck, A, B, D, all right, then pluck the high E. So now you're barring. And you pluck the high E 2nd fret, hammer 3rd fret, pull off. And then finally set it back down on 3rd fret of the B. Sorry. You know that's right. Yeah. So if we put that all together. Sorry, one more time. There, that's right. I think I did it wrong the first time. But that's pretty much it. You will hear another embellishment on the E minor 7 chord. at one part he goes. So what that is, when you get up to that 7th fret, you're gonna do the same sequence, A, B, D, or A, B, D. Then you're gonna set your pinky down 10th fret of high E, pluck, pull off to 7th fret. So you got, and then there's one more embellishment. When you get to the B minor 7, you'll hear, or sorry, you'll hear that. So that's same hammer on pull off, but then set pinky down 5th fret of B, pull off to 3rd fret. All right, and all this kind of stuff, that's all R&B style guitar. So if you're having trouble with this song, I would say go do some R&B guitar lessons. There's a couple of teachers online. I've checked them out before, and they're really good about showing you those voicings, like the minor 7 stuff with the little hammer on pull off type things. So when you hear those kind of riffs and songs, you can be like, oh, that's the little minor 7, you know, pinky riff or whatever. You'll start to remember some of these riffs. But that's pretty much all the pieces of the puzzle to this song. So it's kind of up to you to put it all together. And you know, you might have to do the altered, or you might have to do your add 9 chords down there if you can't do that big, you know, big spread of your fingers, which is understandable. So yeah, try to work it out and let me know how it goes. Let me know if you're able to figure it out, and go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.